Imagine waking up one day and not hearing the familiar buzz of bees. Picture a world where these diligent pollinators vanish overnight. Would it merely be quieter, or would the repercussions be far-reaching? The reality might be more shocking than you think. To understand the impact, we first need to see bees for what they truly are, nature's most efficient pollinators. You see, bees have a symbiotic relationship with plants. As they collect nectar for their hive, they transport pollen from the male parts of a flower to the female parts, enabling fertilization and the production of seeds. In this way, bees play a critical role in sustaining our planet's biodiversity, pollinating a wide array of plants from fruits and vegetables to colorful wildflowers. Let's put that into perspective. Imagine a world devoid of apples, blueberries or almonds. Even the cotton in your clothes relies on bee pollination. But it's not just about our food and clothing. Bees also support growth of trees, shrubs and flowers that serve as habitat and food sources for other wildlife. Without bees, our landscapes and diets would drastically change. Our plates would look very different without bees. Picture this. Without bees, we'd see a dramatic drop in the variety and availability of fruits, vegetables and nuts. These are foods we enjoy daily, packed with essential nutrients and vitamins that contribute to our overall health. But the impact of a beeless world doesn't stop at our dining tables. It ricochets throughout entire ecosystems. Bees are a crucial link in the food chain, and their disappearance would deprive many species of their primary food source. Birds, small mammals, even other insects rely on the fruits and seeds from bee-pollinated plants. Without these, we'd see a domino effect with populations dwindling, species disappearing, and ecosystems collapsing. What's more, the loss of bees would have a profound effect on other pollinators. With more pressure on them to pick up the slack, their numbers could also begin to decline, further exacerbating the problem. The loss of bees would send shockwaves through our entire food chain. The economic cost of a beeless world, it's staggering. You see, our buzzing friends aren't just important for the natural ecosystems, they're also vital cogs in the wheel of our global economy. The work they do in pollinating crops is, quite frankly, a free service that farmers worldwide rely on. Without bees, the cost of manually pollinating crops would be astronomical, running into billions upon billions each year. And it's not just about the money. Consider the labor required, the time, the resources. It's a logistical nightmare that could lead to a sharp increase in food prices. The repercussions would ripple out, affecting not just agriculture, but every industry linked to it. From the coffee you sip every morning to the cotton in your clothes, bees have a role in it. So the next time you see a bee buzzing around, remember, they're not just creating honey, they're helping to hold up entire economies. Without bees, economies around the world would take a serious hit. But all hope is not lost. We can still reverse this impending catastrophe. Imagine a world where the buzz of bees fills the air, where flowers bloom with vibrancy and where our food supply is secure. Every single one of us can contribute to making this vision a reality. Conservation efforts are key. It's not just about saving bees, it's about saving ourselves. Bees are the threads that weave our ecosystem together. If we lose them, we lose more than just honey. We lose the very fabric of life as we know it. So, what can we do to turn the tide? Firstly, we can plant more flowers. By creating a bee-friendly environment in our gardens, parks and green spaces, we provide bees with the vital nutrients they need to thrive. Secondly, we can reduce our use of harmful pesticides. These chemicals not only kill pests, but also pose a significant threat to our buzzing friends. By choosing organic produce and supporting farmers who use sustainable farming practices, we can help to reduce the demand for pesticide use. Thirdly, we can educate ourselves and others about the importance of bees. Knowledge is power. The more we understand about the plight of bees, the more we can do to help them. Lastly, we can support local beekeepers. These hard-working individuals are on the front lines, working tirelessly to maintain healthy bee populations. By buying local honey and other bee products, we can help to sustain their crucial work. The future of bees is in our hands. Protect our bees, protect our future.